Hi, it's Sandy Parker and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today we're going to show you how I store my diamond crystals. I hope you'll stay tuned. So when I do projects like this that have these little crystals in them, not the typical diamonds that would be like a flat tone. Let me see if I have something here that has regular diamonds on it. Yeah, here. These are regular diamonds, these ones along the bottom and everything that's not shiny. These are regular diamonds and I have separate storage for that. But I wanted to have storage for these crystal ones that are extra from projects like this because I want to be able to use them on cards and other projects. So what I did was I got a 3-ring binder, and this box came with, when I got the mirror, it's a folding mirror, and it came, all of the project came in this box. Well, it has that little loop on it that attaches to the 3-ring binder, and so what I decided to do with this is I'm just keeping, I'm not good at opening boxes if you didn't know that, I'm keeping all the little baggies. And I order those baggies online, and I'll put a link below if you need to have them, because then my friend Sherri told me this is how she stores her regular diamonds, and I'd already used the little bottles, so I'm sticking with that for my regular ones. But for these ones, I have them alphabetically by color. So black is first, and then blue, and then gold, and then green, and then I think that's orange next, and then pink, and then I think purple, and then red. Then I call these white, although they're really clear, but most of them are, I call them white. And then these ones are yellow. And those are the colors that I have so far. I bought these sheets on Amazon. You got 30 of them for like, I don't know, $4 maybe. And they're really heavy duty. They're nice. They have 9 pockets in them. And then I bought 50 of these little baggies. And then I decided I needed 50 more because you use them really fast. And so I bought those from either eBay. I don't know. I'll put a link below. Anyway, so I put all of these in a 3-ring binder, and I thought the fun way to know what is in this 3-ring binder is to use my ostrich on it. Now the ostrich is supposed to be used by a light switch. It comes, when you get it from Fansells, it comes with 5 of these. They're like a glue dot, but a big glue dot, and then it comes with 2 of these luminous stickers, and these make it glow in the dark. Because this is see-through, I don't know if you can see that, you can see through that. You can put the little sticker on the back of it, and theoretically, I guess it glows in the dark. I haven't tried it, but that's my understanding, is it glows in the dark. I'm going to use 3 of these. I think 3 should be enough to hold this in place. If it's not, I can always add more later. But my plan is I'm going to just put one at the top, one at the middle, one at the bottom, and then I'll take the backing off of them, and we'll use this as my, to know what's in my 3-ring binder. As soon as I see this ostrich, I'll know what's in here. And on the end of the book, I put another piece of this purple paper so that I can use one of my label maker and write the word diamond on that so that I can see it from this end. But I could always put sealer on it, and I might do that. If I start to see that anything's coming off, I'll definitely seal it. But for now, that's what I'm doing. So that's how I store my diamonds that are crystal diamonds, that are kind of like rhinestones. I hope you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.